Hi guys, so I'm gonna be me and my cousin are going to be showing what we bought from Timo and Shein and Amazon for our ribbon dolls. So first I bought this vest. It's so cute.
And I bought such a vest. It's very cute with the kitty on is pink.
And I bought this for dolls.
And what I did show you is on scene.
I bought this from Timo. This top goes with this jean. No? This top with this jean goes together. And I got it from Amazon.
Okay,
And this I got from Shein. And then I bought this Minnie Mouse tracksuit for my child. And this black dress with this tights, this swansea, this top, this pump, this vest, and this vest.
Okay guys, my turn. I bought this by Temu with this, and then I bought the straight suit by Shein, and I bought this top with this onesie by Temu, and I bought this by Amazon.
Guys, and I got this from Amazon. Now as a gift when I had my gender reveal.
I bought this for my gift, also for my gender reveal for my baby. Kami sa our babies.
So this is my ribbon doll. That took a private part.
This is our baby.
I have to support the neck a lot.
Yeah.
Otherwise then it will break off.
Yes. We're not gonna show you post. We're not gonna show you guys.
We dressed them in part 2, guys. Part 2. I got my nails done. Foot check, nails check, bubblegum check, hair check, cute top, cute jean, and my slippers. Yeah, guys, you're for check now.
Okay, I got the stuff with the stage, and I got the cracks on. I got my hair done. I got my lips done. I got my red six on. I got
Bye, guys.